and welcome back everyone to my island in the sun. Thank you for tuning into A Taste of St. Maarten. Today we have lamb shank on the menu. Lamb is a very versatile dish. Now I'm going through with my knife and poking my meat. This helps the seasoning to go through evenly through the lamb. Make sure you get all sides. Then I'm going and pouring some oil over my lamb. You can choose, you can use olive oil or avocado oil, whatever oil you have on hand, you can use. Just make sure rub it thoroughly all over your meat. Make sure it's very well coated. Then I'm going to go and add my seasoning. I'm mixing it together here. And then I'm going to go ahead and start adding it to my meat, rubbing it through as I go. Make sure you're coating it very well. So I'm making sure that it's coated well, and then just turn it over. And continue adding the remainder of your seasoning on the other side of your lamb. And when you're through, just continue coating your meat. I typically let my lamb rest overnight. The longer, the better. If you don't have time to leave it rest overnight, as long as you can, at least anywhere from 2 hours or more is best, giving the lamb chance, the meat chance for the seasoning to go through it to give it the flavor that it needs. Also, lamb can be gamey, so at this point you can squeeze some fresh lemon, lime over your lamb. I already had my lamb soaking in some lemon water with some vinegar earlier when I pre-washed it. Okay, this helps with the gaminess of the lamb. So the next day I took my lamb out and I let it rest for 30 minutes before prepping it to go into the oven. So I have here my skillet. I have 2 large pieces of foil in it. Make sure that is long enough to cover your lamb once you place it into your skillet, okay? Now I'm going to start adding my pieces of lamb into my skillet. Then add meat into oven for 450 degrees for 30 minutes uncovered. Just pulling apart my onions that I've cut up over the lamb. Then I'm adding some fresh thyme, some rosemary, and then just breaking up pieces of mint over it. I'm adding some garlic as well, pieces of clove, and I'm breaking apart a large cinnamon and adding in here as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and start folding over the foil paper, making sure that they seal well. Then reduce heat to 200 degrees and cook for about 4 to 5 hours or until very tender. So this is our finished product. It came out delicious. It was soft and very flavorful. I hope you decide to go ahead and try this dish. As always, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment below. Remember, a link for the full recipe will be provided in the description section below. Until next time, always progressing, always cooking.